Next step is to go ahead and move this little trim panel right up, and you can wiggle it. It'll come off just like that. Let's go disconnect the battery now. Now, normally this is the most important step of them all, is to disconnect the battery from the car. We saved this step for later because of the seats. We're gonna go ahead and do this now. We have the battery right here, positive. We're going to go ahead and start pulling up the whole center console. Pull right up. So basically there's 6 wires connecting it. You can take them apart by pinching the harness right where it plugs in, and that way you can remove the center console. Or in this case, what I'm gonna do is just leave those plugged right in. I'm going to just lift up the back of this. Now you're gonna see the module right down here. The module is right here connected with those yellow plugs. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that at this point the car is powered down. There's no power going to the module. The reason for that is because the module is designed to lay flat on the frame of the vehicle, just as it is now. So if it's laying flat in the frame of the vehicle like this, and if it's powered up, if we start removing it and moving it like this, it may think that the car is going into an accident or rolling over. In that case, it's going to deploy the airbags. We don't want to do that, especially if we're rebuilding the car and we had just put in new airbags or seatbelts even as well. So we want to make sure the car is powered down completely.